Okay, we are at a windy location, but a fun location. Let's have a look where we are. We've got the Meteor 75 Pro with the DJI 04 Lite. We don't want to get stuck in the top of those trees. How did that just happen? Right there. Now I've got to try and get my drone out of the tree there. What the fuck? Okay, so lesson there, look up before you fly up. I just assumed I was going to fly up this and be clear all the way up, but obviously the tree had a different idea. But we got it out. Hopefully we haven't done any damage and it hasn't overheated.